Alright guys, Chmelaeon.com doing a review on the Dr. Scholl's Insoles with holes. I didn't choose the poet life, it chose me, but this is going to be a non-endorsed review for Dr. Scholl's. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on the brand. And just to go up front on a limb, I'm going to generally say that I do recommend their products, okay? I really do. Now they have a bunch of different insoles for orthotic needs. That's the technical term for foot health, I believe. And these are the ones I wear the most, okay? The Dr. Scholl's massaging gel work. They're all-day shock absorption, and they really do work. You know, they're nice on your feet. They feel like you're less fatiguing, so if you're going on like a hike or something. And the reason I like Dr. Scholl's is because I've tried dollar store ones that are maybe like $2, $3 cheaper, and they just don't hold up well, and they don't have a warranty like these. That's why they got this little try it risk-free money-back guaranteed type deal on here. So if your orthotic ever screws up, you just send it back to them with a proof of purchase probably, and they'll give you a new one. They're really good about that. And then they have these fun custom fit ones. I don't have them in here. They're in my shoes, but I've been wearing them for about a year now, and they actually do work. They're not a full foot insole, but what you want to do is you want to go to Walmart or wherever they have a machine, and then you want to click the Amazon link below and buy them for less than what you would pay for there. That is the key to life. And then they have all different types as well. These are designed for people with lower back pain, so it's got like a hard arc. Not typically my style. Tried them out. These are the ones I like the most. But we'll have the Amazon link below to buy Dr. Scholl's full line of insoles. Highly recommend them. Will change your life. You'll be gelling, I think is their marketing term that they try to install into people. Anyway, I recommend them. Good stuff. Chmelaeon.com out. Also be sure to check out our website for all sorts of shoes and other orthotic products. And we're going to leave on that note. Recommend them. Buy one today. Guarantee that you'll have happier feet.